It's 2:30 a.m. I'm just waiting for Tobarsi to come out. Okay, so hello guys. So I'm now in St. John Airport and I'm just waiting for the boarding. Kuan ay akong buhaton ron is muli kong Philippines. I haven't been there for more than 5 years, almost 6 years actually. And I'm just so excited. I'm a little nervous as well because doon ka travel. I don't know what the process is, so I'm just gonna be reading and di ko kay baog so asa mo adto sa mga anak ba, so nervous kay ko ron. But anyway, I'm done with the baggage check-in and the security, so I'm just here in the boarding area waiting, and I'll talk in a bit. Hello po. Baliktad, sorry.
Thank you.
Salamat po. Hey, ayo po. Okay, so hello guys. So, I was a plane going to Toronto, and I'm in Jan for now.
Welcome to Toronto. The local time is 5:38 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Your first time episode of the seatbelt sign has been turned off.
So we're in Toronto. So I got a text from Air Canada that my flight or the terminal that I should be going is E69. I'm quite confused. I think this is D. Oh, okay, so we're there. So E69. So I'm just following the arrow here because I don't know where I'm going. But medyo kuan naman siya, dali naman siya sabton kay daghan mo kay arrow kung asa ka masunod nga terminal mo adto. So yeah, I think this is gonna be easy. Gusto lang ko makahibaw asa nga terminal, and then I'm gonna take a break. Maybe nakalakaw ako before ko mo balik dere. Okay, so hello guys. It's now 11:30, and I need to go to E63. That's the gate where I'm supposed to be. Okay, so tawag na mi. Ano na ako dito? Excited?
Psych. Like I'm taking it back from you. All right, take care.
Thank you so
Enjoy
much.
the flight, sir.
Thank you. Boarding na. Gonna be in Japan in a few minutes. I mean, a few hours. I mean, 13 hours. After this, then there's gonna be 2 more flights to go. So this is the longest flight. This wouldn't be an easy one, but it's not gonna be bad either. 6. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
I'm gonna check my boarding pass again just to be sure. Zone 3, 38K. My bad. There it is. Yeah, this is gonna be boring. English. I have to give credit to this one. Their food is so good. Grabe kalami. Ako na-expect.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Tokyo. We have arrived early. The local time is 2:56 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt.
Okay guys, so we're now in Japan. Wow, it's so hot. I have like a 9 hours layover here, so bro, when it comes to pakitigay lang sa mga CR, pinakalimpyo nga CR, pinakahitig. Okay, so I just got out of the airport and I just got out of immigration, Japan immigration and custom. So now I'm just trying to see where I would go next. I think I'm gonna go to the shower room first. I saw that you can like pay for it, so I'm like really lost right now. Okay, baka sa madto. May shower lang sa siguro. Then I'm gonna decide from there. Okay, so I've gotta hurry. So this is the bath. It's 1,500 yen. I can use this for 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna take advantage of it. Grabe ka. Pilit na kayong paminaw. Murag. Basta. So, yep, I'm gonna just shower here and talk to you in a bit. Okay, so manaw babat. Na 10 minutes bilin. So, mana, toothbrush, everything. So, thanks by the way, Mipo, for preparing all of these. Ako lang iposo ni and then I'm good to go. Can explore Tokyo today, so bye pa rin. Okay, I found it. So this is where I'm gonna leave my bag. I think I have to tap my card. God, I have no idea what I'm doing. Should I just insert this? Okay, so I've left my bag already and I'm just gonna look for food here. So this is the kimchi. I just noticed that if you want to call the waiter, you can just press this button here. Wow. Real Japanese ramen, man. Okay, I got a ticket, guys. I'm going to the Tokyo Tower. That's what the lady recommended to me. Hopefully I won't get lost because I don't have any data here for the internet, so I'm gonna be in trouble if in case. But yeah, she just said that I'm gonna take the same train when I come back. The fare is like 520, so I have like some a little more cash here, so I think I'm gonna be good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be switching lens now, and I'm gonna be using the 24 to 75 from Tamron, and I'm gonna be vlogging na lang sa akong phone.